Storm's Tech channel here, and today I've been a video about the iPhone 13 Pro Max for Boost Mobile. So the iPhone 13 Pro Max is now here at Boost Mobile. It is currently in stock. So yeah. So it's currently in stock right now. As far as the 128GB version goes, that's $1099.99. G56GB version out of stock, which is $1199.99. 512GB version, $1399.99. It is out of stock as well. And then the 1TB Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max, $1599.99 out of stock as well. So yeah. As far as I know, is the graphite colors this silver out of stock for the gold one, and then out of stock for the Sierra blue. So depending on what color you want, you guys may have to wait for it to get back in stock, but we'll stick with the 128GB iPhone 13 Pro Max for now. So this is what the iPhone 13 Pro Max looks like. It looks like the iPhone 12 Pro Max from last year, except for slightly better internals. So anyways, on the front you guys have your notch with your camera and your earpiece. Right side of the phone has your power button. Left side of the phone has your volume keys and your alert switch. Yeah, you guys see the back there. It has your 3 cameras on the rear. A telephoto, ultra wide and wide angle lens on the rear with the camera flash. There's your cameras right there on the back. Telephoto, wide angle and ultra wide. There's the full colors. Sierra blue, gold, silver, and graphite. What's in the box is your iPhone 13 Pro Max and your charger. There is no charging brick in the iPhone 13 Pro Max this year, so no charging brick. So Apple expects you guys have one, so yeah. So it says here, iPhone 13 Pro Max, the biggest Pro camera system upgrade ever. Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion for a faster, more responsive film. Lightning fast A15 Bionic chip, super fast 5G. Durable design, and the best battery life ever in an iPhone. So you guys know what this is. Sorry about that. I dropped my microphone there. Sorry about that. So you guys know what the specs are on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. 6.7-inch display with ProMotion, 12-megapixel cameras on front and rear. 28 hours of video playback time, 4K video, and the iOS 15 pre-installed. You guys will get like 5 years of OS updates, which is pretty fucking insane. Of course, how it work is wait for your phone to, order your phone, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a plan, and activate online. Alright. Fair enough. I'm trying to tighten the microphone here. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'll get it tight as I can there. So, here we go again with the smallest font here. Like, this is ridiculous. I can't read this shit. I can't read it. I just cannot read this fucking shit. But I'm gonna try anyway. It says here, oh so pro. Smooth, responsive Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion. Huge camera system upgrade for dramatic new possibilities. Exceptional durability. The ultra fast A15 Bionic chip. And breakthrough battery life. Let's Pro. Beautifully durable by design. A design that's jaw dropping as it is durable with a surgical grade stainless steel, ceramic shield, and industry-leading IP68 water resistance. My mouth is fucking dry as shit. So, you guys get surgical grade stainless steel, ceramic steel with durable design, big camera upgrade, bigger photo possibilities, a massive hardware upgrade, made super intelligent software to bring macro photography to ultra wide, 3 times optical zoom to telephoto, and night mode to all cameras. Captures up to 2.2 times more light for better photos and videos. Macro photography makes the smallest detail seem epic. Shift the focus up to drama. Shoot with shadow, depth of field, and automatically add elegant focus transitions between subjects for far more creative storytelling. Alright, so that's good. Hello Pro Motion. Meet the Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz and exceptional for graphics performance. You have never felt anything like it. Pure Pro Power. Experience fast you can only get on Pro. A chip with the performance to work through Pro task and a huge leap in battery life to last all day. All new 5-core GPU. Pieces speed to run the advanced display with Pro Motion. Up to 28 hours of video playback. Super fast natural engine. Power cinematic mode, smart HDR4, and more. Dude, this text is getting my ass, man. It's small as hell. I can barely read it. This shit, it's ridiculous. I don't know why the hell Bitch Mobile insisted they make the font so fucking small that you can barely read it. Like, you would have to zoom in on your computer to read this shit perfectly. No one does 5G like iPhone. Everything happens so much faster on 5G. It's fast enough for multiplayer gaming and more. And smart data mode automatically saves battery power when you don't need all that speed. And this fucking text is getting me, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. There's no phone like iPhone. Smart performance. Apple design chip for speed, power efficiency, and intelligent for everything you do. Protects your privacy. Every aspect is designed to protect. Every aspect is designed to keep information private and secure, durable, and retains value, and that is very true. iPhone built to last. And what the fuck is this shit? Wait a minute. Oh, so iPhone built to last and holds its value longer than other smartphones. See, I cannot read this shit, dude. I can't read it. Sustainability. iPhone is designed with the environment in mind, using recycled materials. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. So the specs on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, you guys know what they are. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe and QoS charging capable, video playback time 28 hours, non-removable battery, 4 storage options, 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of storage, A15 Bionic chip, iOS 15 on board. You guys will get like 5 years of OS updates, which is pretty fucking insane. Cameras, you guys got 3 of them. You guys got a 12 megapixel telephoto, wide angle, and ultra wide cameras on the rear. The telephoto camera lens is a f2.8 aperture. The wide angle lens is a f1.5 aperture. Then the ultra wide camera lens is f1.8 aperture. That also includes night mode, deep fusion, and aperture as well. Display 6.7 inches OLED Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion. Dimensions 6.33 inches in height, 3.2 inches in width, 0.30 inches depth. The iPhone 13 Pro Max weighs 8.46 ounces, so a bit hefty, so do keep it in mind. Your connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Lightning connector, and Apple Pay. Other features include FaceTime, audio and video, Apple Card, and Siri. What's included in the box is nothing special, guys. Like it wasn't on the last year, like it was on last year's iPhone. There is no charging brick in the box, so Apple assumed that you guys got a charging brick to charge your iPhone. So Apple does not include one. So what comes in the box is your iPhone 13 Pro Max with the iOS 15, USB-C, 2 Lightning cable, and documentation. That is it. No charging brick, nothing like that. All right. If you guys need help with your iPhone 13 Pro Max, Boost Mobile has you covered with that with the right support here. Says want to know everything there is to know about this one. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. Alright, so check it out. So yeah, there you guys go. The iPhone 13 Pro Max now available at Boost Mobile, currently in stock for the 128GB version in graphite and Sierra Blue. The rest of the storage options are out of stock. So if you guys want the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the 128GB version is in stock right now, $1099.99 for the 128GB version. 256GB version is $1199.99. Get the fuck out of here with this shit. 512GB version, $1399.99, or 1 terabyte, $1599.99. Alright. So yeah, iPhone 13 Pro Max is now at Boost Mobile, currently in stock for the 128GB version as of right now. Hopefully they'll get all the storage options back in stock soon, but we'll have to wait and see about that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.